I'm making this video to record the sound that my laptop is making and show what Speed Fan says about temperatures and fan speeds. Also, I have this fan from the last time that I changed the fan in this computer. I must have somehow ended up with another one. And that's the package it came in. And now I'm just going to listen to the sound. The fan usually will run, well, there it kicked up to 3,000 RPMs, made a noise, and then dropped back to 1,800. So I know the fan wants to run higher than it is. That's the graph showing core 0. Red is core 1. So it doesn't appear to be having particularly high temperatures right now for some weird reason. It's been on all night. But that's the sound. And there I caught it stopping and starting, so that should cover it.